Okay, we're inside the Skyhouse, and we're actually going to look at the studio first. And I'm kind of intrigued because this studio doesn't look like a studio. It's pretty big. So I like how light and bright this feels, and so there's a bed right there, and then I like how they put a little separation there, so you can put a living kind of a living area there, and it's got a galley kitchen to kind of maximize the space. So you've got everything you need. You got a huge kitchen, a huge refrigerator, and then you've got all the appliances you need, and they even put a little desk in here. How nice is that? So that's really cool. I like too, one thing that's very cool, I hope you're seeing it, is the wall-to-ceiling windows. This is very nice, and it lets in so much light. It's just really light and bright and pretty. It does have a balcony too, so I want you to just see that balcony. It's not big, but it is a balcony, and you can sit in it and enjoy the great view here. And look at this view, by the way. It's a great view. It's stunning. So where this is in Victory Park, and it's right next to 35, which is over there, and then the North Dallas Tollway is just up there just a bit. This direction is downtown, and then over here is Victory Park, and so Victory Park, and then the American Airlines Center where the Mavericks play and the Stars play is close by. So and then Uptown is close by too. So Uptown is just a few minutes walking from here. So this is just a really, really great location in a lot of ways. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And now let's look into there's a nice closet, and then we'll go into the bathroom and check it out. And it's a cute bathroom. It's basic, very cute, and it's perfect for a studio. So this would be a great choice for living in Victory Park, and the studio prices are, I'm sure, very reasonable for this area. This would be a great way to experience it. One more thing, I don't know if you noticed, but the ceilings are concrete, so it's an urban feel, yet it still retains the loft kind of feel too. So I like that a lot. And okay, so that's the studio, y'all.